out, guys. Pupunta ulit tayo sa Manchester naman. Magtitingin kami sa Asian store. So, let's go. Someone is smiling on the camera. She used to have it. She used to have the camera now. It's so windy here. What that?
Let's go up the steps.
Yeah. Don't need. Ang lamig. Late na naman tayo ng coat. Tayo sa restaurant.
Okay.
May lamig.
Well, 3 if we count the little one.
Hello! So, dito tayo guys, sa loob ng Wing Yip Asian Store. Kita agad ako ng mga $385. Not so sure kung magkano yan sa soy sauce. Do you think I better get na? I need fish sauce. What's that? They're the same. I don't want.
Not UFC.
That's made in Thailand. UFC also. Kuha tayo ng fish sauce. Grabe ang mahal ng kanilang mayonnaise. 5 pound. Ano to? Garlic? I'm thinking to get na. I'm thinking to get na. Tingin tayo kung may sitaw. Ito ang dragon fruit. 85 fresh pear. Yay, they're alive. Fresh cassava. Oh. May mga skyflakes sila dito. Wafer. Cooker din sila. It's cute. 3 pound. $2.10. $1.35. Vita Plus? Yeah. It's cheap. $1.35. How much? Coconut. $2.38. I'm okay.
And then the cans here look 125.
Yeah. What's that?
Yeah, I used to drink in Singapore for the
Oh yeah, remember now.
yeah,
Maybe we can get one. You gonna get 90? Let's read. No added sugar, artificial, not from concentrated. What about this one? I think this one.
Okay.
Pure charm.
I know you like.
125. Yes. And, uy, that's what I want. Look. The same. Even the pancit canton. Even the noodles they used to buy, they're the same. Parang tag-isa.
Same price.
Yeah, they're the same.
Lady came with a mask on to say hello, and she was.
Can see the
the
face.
first time she's seen anyone with a mask.
Pati dahon ng saging. Binibenta. Sorry. Meron silang crab. Oh, 6 to 10. How much is it? 6.95. Suso. Garlic butter snail. Basta kasi mister, wala tayong masyadong binili. What is this? We're finished. We're going home. Are we going somewhere? Hello? Uy! Hello, she don't want the sun. Look at that. Oh, she gone pink. When?
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Oh. It's nice. Like guys, to the range.
Before Christmas, because you bought Christmas things.
Here?
Yeah.
The-
You took the stairs to look at them. Remember?
Oh yeah. What is this fruit stand? Mustard ball. Ito pa. It's cute. Are you gonna get new vase? I broke the a vase. Lamp. I broke the lamp. I want a cute. So
The
gonna
one
get.
we have you got from here.
Yeah, but
Or did you
broke
get
it.
from Dunelm?
Dunelm.
Keep looking. With the black bottom. I'm not saying you want the one with the black bottom.
I don't want black. It's so dark. This is so cute. It's nice. 15. I don't want that. It's not nice. Cute naman ito. Laga ng kandila. 199. Flowers. I just noticed that most of your sisters have a fake flower, so you don't need to look after.
These while you weren't looking.
You don't need to look after, isn't it? Fake flowers. They're nice. Kuha tayo nito. Wala tayong ganito sa bahay. What's that? What is it? The honeybee? Tea, coffee. Oh, they're cheaper now. Before they're expensive. The last time. That's why it's so expensive. It's £5. So big. This is so big. Maybe better get one small. They have silicone. Is it safe for the oven? Maybe better silicone. What do you think? Cheaper? Oh, we're gonna get it both? No, one only. We don't
No,
know.
you don't know which one's any good.
Put back the silicone.
No, it's a beer.
Huh? Put it back. We don't need it.
It's a beer. You'll have to go one beer less.
For no beer for a month. Let's look for. Yeah. Put it back na.
Get them both. It's
I
fine.
don't want.
I don't want it.
Sorry. We're home, guys. We're home. Bankrupt si Mister. It looks so nice. It's pretty, oh.
Okay, let's give it a go.
Try that. You almost forgot that, no? Like it. First thing. Not there. This one. Bumili kami ng rock. What's that? Try it. Careful. Excited pa si Mister. Looks nice. Patungan ng plates. Uy! Is it? It's quite high, isn't it?
That's what I was worried about.
Well, you can put that there, yes. And
I
that.
think these are going to go in. Whoa! Oh.
You're lucky there.
Just.
This little woody is on the top.
No. Bulbs there. Them on the top.
Okay.
And then,
It's
and then
happening.
they can go in there. And on there.
You should get another next time, for that. So doesn't.
They only had one. I didn't see two.
Oh really? That is only one. Put on the plate because it's not so hard to. No, on the plate it's not so hard to lift up. If I'm gonna get some plates.
And they're better upside down though.
Yeah,
happy
so
now.
it's not that really need that, Okay. And then what we got? This is what I want. Kapuha tayo ng lagayan ng sugar. Yeah.
And your bottom, please.
I like this. It's 30% off.
Put it in the fridge.
Yeah. It's nice. Sara natin to, guys. So, bumili si Mister ng oven toaster. So, hindi naman kamahalan ng ating mga pinamili. Pero, ang laki din ng binayaran ni Mister sa ating gala-gala. Yung kitchen.
We're sorry we missed the estimated delivery window. Your parcel is still on the way. He's
Okay.
rerouted it.
Yeah, same as what he did to my... Do you remember when I was waiting and arrived very late at night? Not really late, around 8. I like it. It's white. Oh, it looks nice and clean.
If they got a message saying that Michaela's father was
So this is our next, guys. Ating kettle.
someone so happy in there. I'm not just saying it, she was really happy in there. I think she likes the freedom of it. What about some of the tea? I never thought you might want one.
What?
No. Sorry, I should have asked.
This is the handle. No, I'm fine. You know I'm not coffee or tea person. What?
When you be eating my chips, if you read the instructions.
So you
on the
you have to
filter,
put this first.
it'll tell you to fill it 3 times. Oh. You'll read about it. You'll see.
Replace filter cartridge.
So you need a bulb, don't you,
Yeah.
to soak it in.
Is it alright?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the best thing to use is this. Stop. Right, here's your filter. 10 minutes.
Yeah. Put a timer. Second item, filter. Look at this sugar. It's cute. I'm so happy I have the brush now. This is so nice.
Someone's happy.
Watching.
No, she's happy where she is in her little play area.
I want it. Design. That is design.
It's not. The screen's just throw the label on.
No. Put it back. It's nice
I
with that.
can't put it back.
Okay. I'll do it. Want to make egg pie. The third one.
For stickiness.
Thank you, mister. You're thinking about me. How to use it? Ah. Where is my phone? Thank you. Look. It's just right.
What? For the phone?
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's nice.
And you think I don't love
Sturdy. It's not don't love. You're thinking about me then. What I need. Thank you. How did you get rid of it?
you? Eh?
Thank you. Nice.
Isopropyl alcohol.
Oh, okay. You should do this also
And
then.
then soap after. One degrades the glue and the other.
Nice. Another one. Wait, I forgot my snacks in the car. The back of your seat. The snacks. Ito naman guys ang ating pinamili sa ating Asian store o dun sa Wing Yip na Chinese supermarket. Ito lang, fish sauce, boy bawang dalawa, and breadcrumbs. This all, mister. And then itong sandok. This is cute. Ito pa, salt and pepper. I like this. They're so nice. I'm gonna go this in the car.
You have to put it at the door. Next time we go out, I'll put it in.
So, yun lang ang ating napamili, guys. Kasama yung lampshade na nilagay na ni Mr. sa hagdan. Wala daw ilaw.